This week we're looking at Chapter 2, and Chapter 2 is all about strategic planning. Now with strategic planning, this is an upper end of management activity, so a lot of you probably haven't experienced this within your working careers. So it's a little more difficult to sit down and actually accomplish a SWOT analysis at the level that I'm looking for. So what we're going to do is we have 2 discussion boards this week talking about Coke or Pepsi. You've been assigned only one. The idea here is we're going to work in small groups to develop a comprehensive SWOT analysis for a company. In order to obtain the level that I'm looking for, you're going to have to do some research, and every time you post on the discussion board this week, you're going to have to cite your source, because we need to know where the factual evidence has come from. Recognize the fact that I don't accept Wikipedia. You may find some information on Wikipedia. You then need to go out and find the actual source that's credible. Because if I'm making a decision within my company, I'm not going to look for Wikipedia. I'm going to look for industry information, beverage type of magazines that show me actual data. So we're looking for actual data. Remember, in our class, we're not looking just for the SWOT of strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, but we're also looking for things like how can the company leverage their opportunities and their strengths? How can they overcome their problems? Where are they constrained and where are they vulnerable? Remembering that the SWOT analysis, internal is strengths and weaknesses, external is opportunities and threats. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by Facebook. This week is going to be a little more trying for that reason. You may find some information also in Chapter 3. Chapter 3 talks about the external environments. Those would affect our threats and opportunities. Have a great week.